Hello students, this is Rajgun Hendik, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. Today I am here to discuss with you the different scopes of medical social work available in our country. So before moving forward, I will like to give a brief introduction about social workers. So social workers are present in settings across the healthcare continuum, including prevention and public health, primary and acute care, specialty care, rehabilitation, home health, long-term care, and hospice. Professional social workers provide services to individuals and families throughout their lifespan, addressing the full range of biopsychological, spiritual, and environmental issues that affect their well being. Social workers' strength based person in environment perspective provides the contextual focus necessary for client and family centered care and is unique among the other healthcare professions. So, what is medical social work? Medical social work is a subdiscipline of social work. The medical social workers typically work in hospital settings and work with patients and their families in need of psychosocial help. This help ranges from emotional support to social support and to helping patients in order to access to other resources and assistance. Medical social workers work with their patients and their families to enable them overcome their psychosocial problems, including issues pertaining to the illness and hospitalization, and also look after the social and the material needs of the patients. So, as defined by the American Association of Medical Social Workers, this report defined medical social work as a specific form of social casework that focuses on the relationship between disease and social maladjustments. The functions of medical social work. Medical social workers help patients and their families understand a particular illness, work through the emotions of a diagnosis, and provide counseling about the decisions that needs to be taken. Medical social workers also work in concert with doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals. Social workers sensitize other healthcare providers to the social and emotional aspects of a patient's illness. Medical social workers use case management skills to help patients and their families address and resolve the social, financial, and psychological problems related to their health conditions. They perform initial screening and evaluation of patients and families, comprehensive psychosocial assessment of patients, helping patients and families to understand the illness and treatment options as well as consequences of various treatments or treatment refusal. They also help patients and their families to adjust to the hospital admission, exploring emotional, social responses to illness and treatment, educating the patients on the roles of healthcare team members, assisting patients and families in communicating with one another and to the members of the healthcare team. They also help in interpreting information, educating patients on the level of healthcare, that is whether it is an acute or subacute or home care, entitlements, community resources, and advanced directives. Facilitating decisions making on behalf of patients and families, employing crisis intervention, diagnosing underlying mental illness, providing or making referrals for individuals, families, and group psychotherapy, educating hospital staff on patients' psychosocial issues, promoting, communicating, and collaborating among healthcare team members, coordinating with the patient discharge and continuity of care planning. They also help to arrange for resources, funds to finance medication, durable medical equipments, and other needed services. They also ensure communication and understanding about post-hospital care among patients, their family, and the healthcare team members, advocating for patients and family needs in different settings, whether it may be inpatient setting or an outpatient setting or home care, and in the community. Campaigning the healthcare rights of patients through advocacy at the policy level. So now we move forward to the medical social work department as a part of hospital organization. So the medical social work department is considered as a major department in a hospital, and it is controlled by hospital organization authorities. Acceptance of social work department by the head of institution is considered as an acceptance by the staff, and considerable freedom should be provided to the medical social workers. This department receives regular financial support of the hospital funds. The head of the department is directly responsible to the administration and will negotiate and collaborate with other departments of the hospital to provide a better healthcare to the patients. This department will also receives all referral for the distribution of work and reporting. It consists of an advisory committee composed of superintendent, medical and surgical staff, nursing staff, and medical social workers as its members. The department itself organizes a volunteer service work which may render to the patient for medical appliances, transportation charges, collecting gifts for hospitalized children, and books of patients, enlisting blood donors, awareness camp, etc. This department is responsible for program building, policy making, maintenance of standard of services, developing good interrelationship, professional growth to the staff members, and provision of adequate supervision, guidance, and protection of service. So next we move forward to the challenges and limitations which are faced by the medical social work department in a hospital. The first and foremost limitation that they face is insufficient time, challenging clients, workloads, huge workloads, long working hours, ethical issues, incompetent communication, lack of recognition, and then need to handle different perspective of the people. Understanding of the medical social worker role is not present in the current scenario. Emotional exhaustion, etc.